Ever dreamed of making your kitchen the most stunning and practical area in your home? Are you aware that 70% of homeowners put kitchen design at the top of their list? Stay with us to discover the top 12 kitchen design ideas that will transform your kitchen into a stylish, welcoming, and functional space. A well-designed kitchen truly is the heart of any home. It's where meals come to life, memories are created, and families come together. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply seeking new inspiration, these ideas will help you craft your dream kitchen. Let's dive into the first idea: custom storage solutions. Personalized storage is key to an organized and efficient kitchen. Think custom bread drawers, veggie bins, appliance nooks, and utensil compartments. These tailored solutions optimize space and enhance kitchen organization. The beauty of custom storage is its ability to meet your specific needs. Evaluate your kitchen and pantry requirements. Need more space for knives, platters, or water bottles? Customize your storage to suit your lifestyle and watch your kitchen become more functional and stylish. Next, we have the island extension. An island extension adds extra functionality and a furniture-like feel to your kitchen island. This extension can serve as additional seating, a cookbook shelf, or a chopping block. What sets this idea apart is the use of contrasting materials for the base and countertop. Consider butcher block, marble, or another material that contrasts with your main island. This not only boosts functionality, but also creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Designer idea number 3 is the use of natural rough-cut stones. Using rough-cut stone for backsplashes and walls adds texture and natural beauty to your kitchen. Typically used for exteriors or fireplaces, this material brings rustic charm and earthy elegance to your kitchen. The rough texture of natural stone can create a unique and visually stunning space, tying your kitchen design to other areas of your home for a cohesive look. Whether for a full wall or a backsplash, rough-cut stone adds depth and interest. Our fourth idea is all about creative countertop edges. While most kitchens feature standard square edges, opting for unique profiles can significantly elevate your kitchen's look. Consider raked edges, OG edges, or a mix of different profiles. These unique edge details add character and sophistication. For instance, a raked edge offers a contemporary feel, while an OG edge brings traditional charm. Mixing edge details can create a visually dynamic countertop, making your kitchen stand out. Designer idea number 5 is integrated stone sinks. Crafted from the same material as your countertops, integrated stone sinks create a seamless and elegant look. Whether it's marble, quartzite, granite, or soapstone, an integrated stone sink adds a luxurious touch to any kitchen. The continuity of material from countertop to sink provides a cohesive and high-end appearance. It's a stunning way to make your sink a focal point and a true wow factor in your kitchen. Integrated stone sinks are not only beautiful but also highly functional and durable. Moving on to idea number 6 is Hutch-Style Cabinetry. Incorporating Hutch-Style cabinetry and shelving adds a nostalgic and charming touch to any kitchen. This involves placing an upper hutch on top of a lower countertop for a traditional and elegant storage solution. Hutch-Style cabinetry offers a more permanent and sophisticated look compared to floating shelves. It can be used to display your finest dishware or provide additional storage. This design element brings a sense of history and character, making your kitchen feel timeless. Number 7 on our list is statement plumbing fixtures. High-quality, beautiful fixtures are the jewelry of your kitchen. They should be both functional and aesthetically appealing. Invest in durable, well-crafted fixtures for your faucets, pot fillers, and sinks. Choose finishes that complement your overall kitchen design, such as brushed gold, matte black, or polished nickel. These fixtures are used daily, so choosing ones that are both beautiful and functional will enhance your kitchen experience. Designer idea number 8 is about decorative range hoods. Range hoods can be striking focal points in your kitchen when clad in unique materials like natural stone, warm metal, or intricate tile. These materials can complement your kitchen's design while adding texture and interest. A well-designed range hood can transform your cooking area, making it a standout feature in your home. Next, we have the exposed pantry. Using glass walls or doors for your pantry allows the contents to be visible, adding a sense of openness and nostalgia. For those who keep their pantry well organized, this can be a beautiful feature. Think glass canisters and neatly arranged ingredients. It's reminiscent of English cottage kitchens, adding charm and a personal touch to your space. Number 10 on our list involves mixed material cabinet doors. Insetting woven metal, glass, or fabric into your cabinet doors adds unique and charming details to your kitchen cabinetry. Mixed material doors can break up the monotony and add texture. Consider using woven metal mesh, Flemish glass, or fabric insets in your upper cabinets. These elements bring an additional layer of interest and sophistication to your kitchen, making it truly one of a kind. Next up, incorporating wall paneling and exposed beams. Architectural elements like wall paneling and exposed beams can add dramatic effects to your kitchen. Wall paneling creates a traditional and elegant look, while exposed beams add rustic charm and character. Whether you opt for a modern or traditional application, these elements will enhance your kitchen's architectural interest. Finally, we have designer idea number 12 is European-inspired details. Incorporate carved moldings, checkered floors, antique lighting, and unique cabinetry hardware like exposed hinges to bring European-inspired details to your kitchen. These elements add depth and character, making your kitchen feel timeless and elegant. Thoughtfully integrating these details can transform your space into a classic European kitchen. To recap, we've explored 12 incredible designer kitchen ideas that can transform your space. From custom storage solutions to European-inspired details, each idea brings its own unique charm and functionality. We encourage you to try these ideas in your own kitchen. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media for more design inspiration. Thank you for watching and happy designing!